is Irontrader. This is the last call of the day, so we're going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purpose only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock commodity ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil daily chart, natural gas daily chart. Pretty much tells it all here today. Okay. So we had a really nice good run up here. Look at all the days here. We got above the 21-day, the 200-day, the 50-day, and then boom, right into the 100-day, and that's where she stopped. Now, yesterday we had a high of 80.16. Today we had a high of 80.15, a lower high, and then she came right on down, went through the 50, but again, it's holding that key 200 SMA here, sitting at 78.11. So that's what you want to watch there on the downside. That's going to be your key support level. If that is lost here, then we're going to come right here to this 21-day at 77.42. Okay, so again, now if that is lost, then we do is we'll look to the top of this candle, 77.09. Look to the bottom of this candle. We have 76.70. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come right down here to the 75.95. That is your key 8 simple moving average. That should be pretty good support here, but I'm thinking it's going to hold that 200-day. There's a lot of stuff going on here between the Ukraine and Russia going on there, Iran still going on here, Israel, Hamas still going on, and the whole world is like it's on fire or something going on here. So again, eventually crude oil is like a big mixture. Right now, as you see, we had a pretty good rally all the way from 71.67 all the way there to 80.16. Now, they're talking on CNBC that Crude hasn't really done anything. I don't know what the hell they're talking about. You're looking at almost 9 points, dollars that Crude went up here. So I have no idea what they're talking about. They got to maybe come over to here to my site here, the old Irontrader.Wallstreet, and take a look at the old chart ski. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. Look at that nice good run up. Okay, now, just watch that 200-day here on the downside. That's going to be very key. And then they have that 21-day. Now, here on the upside, we're going to be looking here at that 78.91. That's that 50 SMA here. That's going to be very, very key. Again, we can just, we can follow the candles up here. Okay, so you look at here is 80.22. This is what you're looking for right here is this 80.21. Okay, so again, if we can get above that 200-day, you can get that 50-day. As long as we stay above that 200-day, you can hit that 50-day, and then you're going to look at that 80.21. Now, again, if we can get above that 100-day, then we're going to be looking at some really nice moves upside. You got 81.34 here. We have 82.27, and then we're going to come up here. We have 82.58, and then we're going to look right here. This is going to be the key. This is that 83.10. Just bring that price channel right across. Then what we're going to do is we'll come right here and bring the next price channel right across, and what we got is you got 83.74, and then that double top situation, which we had a high of 84.52. So the key is going to be that 50-day and 100-day. You get above that, then we just find all these targets here. Then we know exactly where we're going to go up. Downside, just watch that 200-day. So remember, when those futures open at 6 o'clock here, what you always want to watch is today's high and low. So today we had that high of 80.15. We had that low of 78.25 here. So let's just see how that trades here. Is it going to hold that 200-day, or is it going to come right on down, fade down again, or is it going to just rip back up here, or maybe even a little sideways action? So when you look at this pattern here, okay, so you can see here, like we did in the past here, always look to the left. Your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder. Now, when you look at patterns, say, well, yeah, it isn't. How do you see that as really isn't ideal? But actually, this is what it is in reality, okay? So if you want to know about chart patterns or candlesticks, just go on my playlist. It's all right there. Just click on, you know what I'm saying? And what it is I show you exactly, like a perfect inverse head and shoulders, but there's also on there, this is reality inverse head and shoulders, okay? So we might have the same thing going on here. See that left shoulder? There's your head, and we might have a little right shoulder going on here. Even though it's a higher right shoulder, we could go sideways, but once you break above that 100-day, then she just rips right on up there very, very nicely, okay? So now RSI here, we had that positive divergence. Even though it was slight, it still had a nice good run up. We got to see where that shakes out. But look at your MACD here, okay? So when that green goes over that red, I said this a million times already, that is a sell sign. Your momentum's going to the downside. But now that green is above the red here. So let's just see how this all shakes out. And another thing I do like about this, what happened here today is, yeah, it didn't go into the 100-day and it came on down. But you're still holding the 200-day, but you're also holding a half of yesterday's candle, which is always very good. So just watch those futures there at 6 p.m. and just trade against today's candle. That is the key level, okay? Just look at today's low, today's high, and basically it's just the 200-day to the 100-day is what you're trading inside. Okay, Natural gas here, well, you can see here what happened yesterday. We had that topping tail, could not hold that 100-day, even though it popped above. That doesn't really mean dick. Okay, you got to close above. Okay, so you went above that 2.25, but you didn't close above it. That's the key. And today, what do we have? You went right into the 100-day. You have a lower high and a lower low. That's not really a good scenario. And this could be like a tweezer top situation and bring it all the way on down here. We have to see, because now we're used to these double tops here. See how that looks? Then you can bring it right on down. Another good double top here situation. What happened here? See, there was a double top right there. See how that is? And then what happened? She sold right off. Now, I'm not saying it's going to come right on down, but again, when you have that double top situation, over time, she just wants to rip all the way on down here, okay? But now, again, we got to see how this is going to shake out. But again, we have some good support here underneath. 2.09, very, very nice. And then we have 2.08, very, very nice, okay? So this is going to be your key support levels here. If that's all lost here, we just look at all the candles here, okay? So you got 203 here. What do you got there? You got 202. You got 201. We come over here. You got 1.97. You got 1.92. You got 1.9, and then your big retest there, 1.88. But let's just see how this is all going to shake out, because now your 8-day looks like it wants to cross over. You cross over that 21-day, and that's always very, very bullish. Here's a perfect example where that 8-day crossed above, and what it do is send the price rate up higher. Okay, so the key to this pattern, I should say, is watch that 21-day, watch the 8-day. That's the downside. Upside here, you just got to watch that 100-day, 2.24. Very, very key. You get above that, then we can go to your yesterday's high at the 2.25. But realistically, you're targeting that 2.27 level. That's going to be key here. We can come over here at 2.28. But realistically, this is what you're going to be looking for here is that 200 SMA at 2.35, and then right above that at 2.42. It's going to be a matter of time before this is going to blast up higher. So don't have no opinion here. You know what I'm saying? Don't have no opinion here, because there's a lot of good positive. As that's coming down, the RSI is going up, positive divergence. That tells you, and look at that nice run that we have. So always look for tails. That's the key. Same way with here, the green over your red, that shows momentum now there to the upside, and that's a buy signal. So let's just see how this all shakes out. It could be a sideways action, but bottom line, just trade this, okay? Trade between that 21-day and that 100-day. You break the 100-day, we know where we're going. 200-day, 50-day. You break below that, we follow the candles, we know where we're going. It's the same way with the crude oil here, okay? You lose that 200-day, well, you know you're going to hit that 21-day, you're going to know you're going to hit the 8-day. Okay, above this here, you hold that, then you got the 50-day, then you got the 100-day. Above that, then we just follow all that up here. Just keep your trading simple. You will make money. Okay, I'll be back here tomorrow morning here before 8 o'clock, and we will do it all over again. And remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.